Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to gigabyte.com. This is officially website. Then this is search key. So click and then enter the model number which is the required B650MH and then hit enter. Then click to product. B650HM. So this one. So this is your motherboard. Click on support. So is then select operating system is required. If you are using Windows 10, so Windows 10 also installations process same. Chipset, AMD chipset driver, and click to download. So it is completed chipset driver, and open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. So installed.